Ouais.
For this month's Shorts Roundup, we're recapping all the launches YouTube announced here at VidCon. Let's dive in. Tag products will now show as shopping stickers on your shorts. While creating your short, select stickers, then products. Search and select the products you want to tag with a sticker, then tap next. You can adjust the size and position
Kit Super Chatted $1, Genis Mega Penis.
Genis Mega Penis 3 också. Eco-friendly pending in my sheet. So these are right now the new eggs we're gonna be making. Welcome everyone. Sorry. Oh, shut up. Joe, what's up? Oh, det är dags att byta över. Yes, this is the game right now, as you might know, Smith. Right now I'm just working on the update, so it's ready whenever we need it to be ready. I just need to make sure that some things work. Like, for example, I just got this error. And I also need to fix so this boy stays on the ground. I've added models for all the pets that you added into the egg, and I've also added all their abilities, but now we need more pets for the basic egg. I have 2 rocks and 1 time turtle. The time turtle is 0.5. So let me just show you how fast it actually grows, cause it's insane. Just look at this. Just look at that. Boom. And it's almost already done. Like, it's insane. So gold. do gold. Okay, well, yeah, I can do that. Let's see. Well, it's not as fast, but it's no. Why are you saying sorry, man? Like, people make spelling mistakes. It's not the end of the world, man. Jesus Christ, it's big. But like you see, it's moving faster than normal. Yeah, it's already at 25%. It's hard to check when you like pick these up. It just stops to check that. But yeah, it's much faster. No, it does not, unfortunately. But I've really tried to make a multi-harvest ore, but it just didn't work. It is in the code, it's just not initialized to work. Like if you check the ore definitions, it does have its own definition. It should have had, but it's not. Well, it did have one. But you can still find it if you check within the code. It won't be able to give you anything, and you can also find it within this thing here, because yeah, you know, just formality, easier. If we finally get it working, it's just easier not to have to redo it all. The snatchy pet can go out even if then don't want to steal. What do you mean by that? Yeah, the snatchy pet can go out and steal. Like, what are you trying to reach for that? Alright, well, I need to solve this error. So, inside source code see, where's? I don't know if you fixed it, but the give pet code won't work. Like, it says pet name Snatchy not found. Oh, okay. Actually, I haven't tried the give pet, but I think it might be because I haven't fully coded it yet. Let me just double check to make sure. Pet data for each game dot, yeah, and then v dot pets if pet dot name equals pet data. So the code basically just does for every it checks through every single egg inside the egg definitions. Let me just bring that up so it's easier to see. So it looks through all the eggs in the egg definition, and then within it, it also checks for all the pets within the eggs. And then if it can find it, boom, yeah, it just sets that. But if it can't, it will do that. It's a little bit harder, because pet dot name equals to pet, it's hard. Because if we check the pets, they are normally named Snatchy. Maybe it's some spelling error. No, it doesn't seem so. Well, I'm not exactly sure why it's doing that. Oh. Oh my god, that is completely my fault. It's just thinking that this pet is this pet. So it got confused and thought this pet, which is what you're searching for, is the pet inside the v.pets. That's very dumb mistake of me. Let me just fix that. Oh my god, that's stupid. See, it's done. So now give pet. Let's give myself a snatchy. And it works. And if we check my inventory, I do have a snatchy pet. I've also made it so that you hold the eggs with 2 hands now, like you wanted. I also made the drop chances of each pet a little bit less rare, more balanced. What script are you looking for? In this, it's like definitions inside the replicated storage right here. Oh, that showed up now. I don't know why that showed up now. It's a little late, but yeah. Yeah, that's good. To see bottom. Okay, not more than 4. Gotcha. Okay, up to 10. Great. Let me just move this pets thing out of the way. There we go. That's pretty good. I'm also noticing a little thing in the dialogue script. Let me just check if. Okay. So, response number 1, I want to see egg info. We can do that. Oh. Let's just add scale and age now. You know what? I'm gonna just what? You mean you mean whatever the fuck this is not a mutation pix. What the fuck do you want? You're saying this is not pics? Just look at this shit. This motherfucker got bigger ears than its legs. Yeah, it was kind of stealing off a dog, and I just made his ears longer than his head. I should make them a tiny bit bigger. Make it look like you took drugs. What the f is this? And this doesn't need an ability because its ability is literally embedded itself into the ore manager. Like if you check the harvest ore, you'll be able to see right here, it's the pix system. Local found pix, if you can find pix, then it will check this and then try to apply that and stuff like that. Yeah. Certified. How could one resist this perfectly pristine eco-friendly? And then up here, I'll just make it like price per kg. Be like, I don't know, 100. And then I'm thinking, right, if we do some like we do in the harvestor, so like base weight is that, and then base weight times height scale. Yeah, because we could just grab random height scale. Go into the egg manager, and whenever you give the players its pet, let's do local base weight, egg manager dot base weight, or that, and the height scale will just be a local height scale will be math dot random So let me just grab a local function, get random height scale. Let's get the min height, the max height, and also the exponent. Because the exponent just basically just controls the rarity of higher values. Like it's one is rare high values. So let's do local rand equals math dot random local skewed rand to the power of exponent, and then finally local height equals min height plus max height minus min height times skewed, and then we return height. So let's just do get random height. The lowest is 0.8, the highest will be 50. And then let's just do 4. There we go. And that gets the random height. Okay, so let's just return also to make sure that we only get one decimal. So math.floor height times 10 plus 0.5 divided by 10. There you go. That's the scale that it gets. So for every in pairs wait list do. Let me just double check how they did it in here. Okay. let's go back to Egg Manager, go up here, and then just do this. Pet tool dot name dot index with index with that, and then weight v. kg. Yeah, that should be, yeah, good. Yeah. Let's just also do pet tool clone dot parent equals the player dot starter gear. How long am I gonna stream? I'm gonna stream as long as I possibly can. Maybe go for maybe 4 hours, I'm not sure. And when is the update? It will be, I think it's Sunday this week. Because if we check the timer, oh, mole. Well, that's not good. On vector 3 and nil. Yes, that's because we need to reset. So I'm gonna have to reset data, sorry. I'm obviously just gonna do a disco event. I'm gonna do some messages, and then I'm just gonna do this little command that I've been working on called update game, with the description update the goddamn game. And when you click and type it, it starts this transition, and when it's done, it will teleport you to a it will teleport you to another server. Let me just real quick do this bit. It's 2.7. Alright, that looks good. However, but by Sunday, end of the week, everyone's out of school, stuff like that, you know. Everyone's out of school. It's like last day of the week. You want something happy to happen, not just have a sad Sunday being loomed by the goddamn sad Monday coming afterwards. So like, you want something to happen. That's what this is. This is the something that's gonna happen. $1 billion. That's how much I had. Yeah. So it happens on, I think, the 18th or the 19th of Sunday. Let me just double check that to make sure. But it's summer holidays. Yeah, it might be, but still, Sunday is good. That also gives us a whole week to add a lot of stuff. It's just good for us. Best of both worlds. Eco-friendly pattern. Yes, I am home. As you can see, I am very much home. Alright, well, yeah. I think that will work. Let's do give pet. Let's give myself a snatch. Yep, 1.2 kilograms. And height is definitely added to that. Look at his ears. It appears that his ears weren't sized. And his tail too. What? Huh? Wait a minute. Wait a damn minute. It's 16.5 kilograms. How did it How did it rise in kilograms? Oh, I know exactly why it rose. I know exactly why it rised. It's because it's when you pick it up, it uses the give player pet function, and when it is done, and the give player pet function is what gives the random the random weight, and here, so we need to get let's check, because the pet is the pet data, but we don't get that pet model, which is gonna be like a model, maybe. So pet model colon get attribute weight. Wait, is a weight or height scale? Right, it doesn't get that. We need to add an attribute. Model colon set attribute weight be let's do height scale. Yep, and then weight or get random. So then it gets that, and then I just have to pass through the pet model whenever you're picking it up. So inside of the primary part in this one, there's gonna be a click detector, and it's gonna just be that, and then wait, script or parent. What? What? Okay, now I'm really confused. So it is. Okay, I'm confused. Man, what the Okay, let's just do that. See if it works. I was really confused by my own coding. I totally forgot how I even did it myself. That's embarrassing. Alright, now, well, the Snatchy doesn't have that, and when it's placed, it's, what the Where are you going? What is that? Goodbye. What the hell? Its weight is still 16. Perfect. And then we just go into collision groups, add a new group called plot. Make sure that pets can't collide with plot. And then we also add a group called out eggs. And pets cannot collide with eggs. And then yeah, I'm just gonna copy this script in every single plot. Good. Alright, so now if we go into replicated storage, go into the egg models. Let me just cover all these parts with the collision group eggs. This one too. Eggs. Perfect. Okay, gotcha. Alright, nice, now that should work, hopefully. What in the hell was that? Holy Let's go into the server now and fix that little problem I had. So let's see right here. If info dot weight Shiza. Well, then lone colon set attribute weight info dot weight. Wait, it's already setting that. Right, okay. Good. And then else if info dot pet type and info dot weight let me just do that and then see that works. Sync. Alright, nice. And then we also need to do clone.name equals to string.format at s indexed with boom kg, which is that and d, and then we just get info dot pet type and info dot weight. I think that will work. Okay, what the hell happened here then? Right. Oh my god, there's so many errors. I need to restart. Fucking. Oh my god. I'm gonna have an aneurysm. just do give Sterling 111. There we go. It's a billion, and then give pet. Let's give a Snatchy. An error occurred. Wonderful. Huh? Attempt to call missing method get attribute of table. Well then, great. Let me just go into Egg Manager and handle that. Give player pet. So apparently this is a table too. Let's just check if type pet equals to a model, then we do this. That should be good now. God. Give pet Snatchy. Yes, we got a Snatchy, 4.8. You place him down. He is definitely big. Why does he look like that? He looks like I just put him in the blender, chopped him up. This is why I didn't want to make him bigger. So I'm not going to do that. I can do that, this definitely, but I'm not going to apply the height to the model. And then I just need to add a cell system for the pets. Oh my god. Super Mass Snatchy. Yeah. True. Not anymore though. I just need to go over here. And then on this little dialogue script for this boy. Right here. I'm gonna add like that. And then I want to sell this pet. And then I'm just gonna move all these one down, and then do an else on that. And then we do an if response num equals to 1, then so we're gonna do local value equals to, I need to do a remote function, which is gonna be a simple cell pet request. So replicated storage wait for child remote functions wait for child cell pet request invoke server. So first we need to get the hand item. So local hand item equals player.character find first child, which is a tool. If not hand item, then dialog object hide GUI. You don't have a pet in your hand. If not hand item, or hand item or not hand item colon has tag pet. And then we get that, and then we send the hand item, and that should return the value, and then we can just do dialog object colon hi GUI short thing. Here is your dot value formatted. There you go. And then we just go into server and handle it. I'm basically just gonna copy the profit. So down here I'm gonna do replicated storage dot remote functions dot cell pet request dot on server dot equals function where we get the player and the tool. Yeah, I noticed that. And then 4 underscore comma pet in I pairs pets do, and then we can do that, yeah. Pet dot name or pet dot pet name. What? Oh. And then we return B. Calculate fruit price. No, I can, but I can calculate price constant weight could one resist it perfectly pristine? There you go. There you go. I don't even need this. God. Let me check if there's something wrong. Here. Is skippable. If not, name. Then return false. Oh my God. What do you mean 0 kg? It can't have 0 kg. See, like it's 0.8. Are you stupid? Lot of pets are on the ground. Yeah, I noticed that. Can fix that. Vad?
Mamma och Lill-Myra kommer att gå och hämta en cykel som mamma har lånat och som nu är hos Marie.
Mhm. There we go. Problem. I'm right now solving the problem, Smith. Yeah. It was just that it's also making the seed beds, all the plots floor pass through. So yeah, now it's work. Wow. I don't get it. Why does it just not return anything? It's literally invoking this, and it gets this, and it does this, and then it checks this, checks that. sorry, man. Yeah, I just a little tired, but yeah, I can speak louder. So, I'm gonna kick a wall. Local hand item, if not hand item or not hand item, colon hashtag pet. What the f is the problem? Inside my character, there is a tool with the tag pet. What is the problem? What the fuck? Okay, well now it's saying something is unavailable. Is it some fucking problem with the goddamn is in group? There you go. Now it's equal to 1. I swear to God, if it was that is in group that caused the problem, I'm gonna shoot somebody. No, it wasn't. Okay. But for real, what the fuck is the issue? I don't get it. I have an item in my hand, and that hand item is not even saying this. It's getting all the way to here, just not saying anything. Meaning something is happening here. I'm just gonna print Shiza, yeah. It won't work after me. Print tool get attribute favorited, and then the name. It's not even returning this. Let's see, where does it fuck up? It doesn't print shit. Let's try this thing. Really nothing. 'Cause we can't be You fall asleep, don't you forget me. I'm still back. I don't know what's the issue anymore. That's it. Oh my fucking god. It's literally giving no payout. The payout is supposed to be this. I honestly think we could just do, honestly, this ourselves. We don't even need a function. And then just do def.price per kg times info.weight. Simple. Tell me you're not afraid if I give you my pay. How am I supposed to love when I'm stuck inside my brain store? Again, no payout. Why is there no payout? And there's obviously something going wrong. If this equals nil or something else. So I'm gonna print the payout. See what's going on. Again, no payout. And it didn't even print it. Let me hold up. That must mean that it can't find the def. Because it doesn't do any of this. It does check this. It probably means it can't find the def. Ready. Go. Wait, what did you say? Want a team test? Bro, I almost have a suit. Like, it still doesn't do it. Let me first of all print def and info.weight. See if there's something wrong with that. Yeah, let's team test soon. I just need to make sure that this is working. Yeah, no payout, and it also doesn't print shit. Okay, so it's not the def. Then it has to be if info name equals tool name. Info.name equals tool name. This has to be it. What am I even sending over here? I'm sending the hand item dot name. And this is the info dot name. Scars run deep, I will watch you falling in. Give more than I could give. You're like magic, turn the pain into passion, turn the rain into the static. You don't even know. Clean name equals clean tool name equals clean name. Let's see if that fixed this. So you see, no payout, doesn't print shit. Still. Right here, tool dot name, tool dot name. See, does it need any more? No. It's good to debug, because then you might actually know the problems. Well, apparently I don't, because it doesn't work for me. Let me just check if I print info.name equals tool.name. If that prints true, I'm quitting. I'm quitting coding. For real. Okay, good. It prints false. Alright. So that prints false. So what could be the issue? because if we check inside of our tool for that, name is Snatchy. Name is Snatchy. Let me just print the clean name also, just to see where we're at. Snatchy. So apparently it's not cleaning it. Obviously. This isn't cleaning it. Jesus. So we need the upper arrow percentage, the percentage S times the XX question mark percent D percent dot plus KG percent S times percent, and then another bracket percent S times. Okay, that should clean it correctly. That should work now. No, it didn't, because it is not good. It tries to clean the tool name, but it can't. Right, so if we remove that, I see your future, but I look into your eyes. Alright, let's see. Still payout, but that's because it didn't clear. But I do also have a little extra function for that. This trims away any trailing or leading spaces. I already have that. So now it should work. Alright. Nil. That's great. That's exactly what we want. Alright, it actually gave out. Favorite status, nil. Not found, not found, not found. That's the data. Right. It's not supposed to return the V, it's supposed to return the pet. Now it should 100% work. Let's finally do this. Yes! For 12,000, but that should mean that this needs to be removed. Let me just double check. If I have one, it works. Yep, it works. I just need now. It just need now to destroy it. Destroy by name info.name. I'm gonna do tool.name. because it tries to find that, and yeah, that should work. Hopefully. Let's do this. Already 2 hours. Yep, see, it's gone up. So now if I give myself, so if we do give pet, let's give myself a Snatchy again. It gives me, oh my god, I didn't want that, but fine. You sold Snatchy for 12,000 and it's gone. Yes! It works. That's what I like to see. Alright, let's close that and that and that. Alright, now there is one little problem. Noticing still a little bit problem with the I just do that and then just do that 0.1f inside of the string and then just do height 2 number. Let's just try that, see if it works. Bro, why is only mutated egg in stock? Because I made it 1.01% stock chance just for testing purposes. So now if we do give pet Snatchy, I get a 1.3. If we try it again, 3.5, 3.3, 3.4, 12. Nice. It works. Yay. I have a lot of Snatchies now. This is a lot of Snatchies. I'm gonna place down the smallest ones. This is my boy. This is my boy right here. This is my boy. I'm also gonna give myself a... Alright, I need to add them also to the command. If you don't know how to use CMDR, don't ask me. I barely know to. So I just follow tutorials and shit like that until it finally works. Glass frog, and then finally mutation pics. There we go, that's all done. Alright. See now? We got this man. And then if we do give pet, you can now access all the different pets. So let's give myself a time turtle. 22! Le bomboclat. 22 fucking kilograms. What? That's crazy, dude. And then of course, oh my god. Oh no, that's not good. Whenever this places height scale, we get that. And then we send the height scale, and then we set it. And then up here we get it. Don't you leave before me. This world has something for me. I'm scared to close my eyes if I don't wake to see the morning. It's written in the stories. The God above's recording. I'd rather die a hero than. So let's see. 11.9. Oh my god. Let me just check. Plot 1, place pets. Yes, 11.9. If I pick it up, it's gone. Out of that, like, I don't get it. When it picks up, it runs to pick up pet. I think it does. Oh my god, I forgot I made the pick up pet function. Pet def. And then we give the pet model too. I'm just gonna do if pet model, then height scale equals pet model colon get attributes weight or get random height scale 0.854. Else just make it, honestly, just do that, and that's probably a good idea. Do that just to make sure. See, so now if we place it, pick it up 0.8, place it, pick it up 3.5. Yes, it works. Soon, not fully. They're about to leave. Grinding hard for 2 hours now. I don't have an idea for a pet from a basic egg, and why is only mutated egg in stock. Again, mutated egg is only in stock because I changed its stock chance to 1.01 to make sure that it's a bit more. For debugging, I fixed it now. Take a step through your paths. It's getting clearer if they follow you over the night.
Då tar vi oss till över stan.
Ja. Alright, well, that's basically the pet system done. And yes, you can also gift pets. Smith, let's do a team test, honestly. Flow. Team test. Flashbang. Mm-hmm. That's just because my computer is slow.
Kan brorsan låna de här av dig?
Ja.
Eller vänta, det är inte.
Ja.
Har ni Hicon-brillorna då?
Vilka? Yo, Smith. Team test. Join the team test, boy. Smith, join the team test, boy. Yes, we have super cores. $25 super cores. Let's place one of them. An emerald ore. 2 emerald ores, iron, coal. Welcome to the team test, Smith. What the hell? Why do you have so many goddamn... Why do you... Let's see if one of your raccoons can, or snatchies can go over to my plot and grab one of my ores. Because I place down a lot. Honestly need to place down a time turtle. He took it. What? When? When? I didn't even see it. Let's see. Because I did make sure that he does walk over to it. I don't know, but he gave it to me. Oh, yup. What the hell? Well, that's, yeah. He definitely took it. But he's supposed to walk over to it, and then pick it up, and then come back. What the hell was that? He just did a 360, and then it just appeared in their mouth. Oh, again. Oh, I see now. They're walking towards you. What is this? Whoa, what is this? Bro, did you? Nah, yo bitch ass ain't taking my shit. Nah. Stop that, stop. Yeah, I noticed that. Fuck you. You ain't stealing shit now. Man, get the fuck out of here with the bullshit. I'm also noticing there is an error whenever you steal an ore. Probably gonna have to fix that. Yeah, it's gonna be attempt to index node parents at 428 or 420. Let's just check it out. Yep. Let's check 420. See what the problem could be. So here we have 420. Yeah. Oh. Attempt to index node with parent was apparently nil. Bro, my snatch is gone. You picked them up, probably. Probably just picked them up without knowing. Hey, just take one of my. There you go. And take that too. Yeah, you're welcome. And it works too, which is wonderful. 420. That's a problem. Because whenever you steal it, it gets ore model .parent.owner.value. And it's trying to index, and apparently it's indexing nil with parent. But that's weird. So either this parent is nil or this parent is nil. Well, this parent is nil, obviously, or this is nil, but that's hard to believe because the ore model, it will return if the ore model is missing. So that means this has to be missing. So if I do like first we check if or model dot parent, then I'll make that my history. Probably, but yeah. Oh man. I missed the storm event weather. Well then let's add a wait, what'd you say? I didn't have time to see what you said. What you say, boy? Let's go out on me till I brought my symphony. What you even say, boy? What did you say? I didn't see what you said in chat. Man, to my mind. Yeah, I'm coming to your mind. Oh, that's a super core. How many do you have? Yeah, see how fast. Let's see. It's instant. It's literally help. No. I had to do that too. My mutation picks added the disco modifier to that ore. Oh. What are the chances, dude? It added the disco modifier to the gold I stole from you. My mutation. Hey, wait. Your snatchy took my gold ore. Yeah, shares, boy. Good job. I noticed that. But your picks. You wanna know something? Your picks added the disco mutation to the ore I stole from you. Oh my god. Oh, and it took your other gold door too. Thank you. But that's insane though. Oh. Yes, heat wave, heat wave, heat wave. I need it. Give core. Super core. Yes. Yes, it became superheated. Okay, so the glass frog ability, invalid second argument to random interval is empty. Well then, I believe that glass frog, it's good to debug, definitely. But then that would just mean if possible, or if number of possible ores is equal to 0, then just return. No, just warn no possible applicable ores. Perfect. Yeah, using bougie. Nah, you will not steal Nash. You're not stealing that from me, man. What the wait, I can't even pick it up, man. It's not even fully formed. Nah, that shit not yours. Give me that that's mush. Yes, that's mush. That's mush. Nah, that's mush. This mush too, boy. Yeah, this mush too. Nah, that's mush. Disco. I just hope this becomes a disco in time. Damn, I had to do it. Tacos, all you can eat, reddies and shells, cheese and meat. Wanna see something cool? Look at this. Yeah, I'm holding it while I'm dancing. Yeah, baby. And also at the bottom, makes you feel a little dancey. Possible mutations, disco. Even if you try to reset, it won't let you. It will still keep on dancing. You will never stop dancing. You will be stuck dancing forever. So, meat, cheese, chess. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Out in the street, down at the tacos. All you can eat, reddies and shells, cheese and meat. Alright, it stopped. That was fun. Just let it go, carry on. Alright, that's great. Alright, what do I need to do now? Because I've already done that. Alright, I need to make sure that it only uses your pics. So in profile, right? It checks the profile, but this needs to check the profile of the player. Local player profile equals data manager, yep, indexed with profile. So player profile, because this needs to use only on your own profile, sadly. Oh, it started crystal winds. Wind so hard it could be glass. Yeah. But honestly, your pics looks like you took some drugs. Not that I'm saying that drugs are fun, but I'm saying that it honestly looks like he took drugs. Crystal Winds. It's a very good shit. It's very good shit. I kind of want to add, like, you know those buttons that let you filter by like pets and eggs stuff, and then ores and cores and all that I want to add that. Want to play one time schedule 1? Sadly not, because this live stream is only supposed to be for grow a mind development. And let me just type some to you. Runs around inside my head again. Every conversation from my therapist. I know you can't resist. You're the name of my apocalypse. Thank the Lord I didn't fall for it. Something inside me wants to build my kingdom. Watch it burn. Chase the feet. Lift the curse. I mean, when the update is done. Yeah, possibly. Just check your Discord, because that will tell you some. Check DMs. Check DMs. Check. Cause we are who they say we are, and that's just fine. Well, that's not supposed to happen. Whoops. Accidentally broke my sign. Because you're not an owner, you're more of a developer. Drag me through the dark, be the villain in my narrative. Dance upon my skull, so I truly love your arrogance. You fell far till you opened up the door for it. You opened up the door for it. I don't know, co-owner. I'll give you admin and tester. That's my limit for you. Yeah, I accidentally knocked over my son. It was accidental. Come on, calm down. Yeah, but we need to quit the team test and then join back into the team test for it to work. Warrior, oh warrior, oh warrior, lost my favorite. Let's do it, yo. Oh warrior, oh warrior, oh warrior. Well, just try inside of studio. Exit here and try inside of studio yourself. Probably might work there. Warrior, oh warrior, oh warrior. Lost my pride, but you gave me hope. My life, but you made me stronger. Warrior, warrior, oh warrior. Welcome in, whoever the third person is. Welcome in, third person. Well, that's weird. I made it work specifically for your ID. So it not working is impossible. I'm just gonna try it myself real quick, see what could be the issue, because if it works on me, I don't know what to tell you. That's your problem. Pest. I mean, it works on me, so I don't know what your problem is. Cause like, I made sure it works. Just try join the team test. Have we become lately? Oh, the bridges are breaking. Are we just waking? Are we lovers of friends? Are we just in a daydream? Are we something worth saving? What if the day we met was the beginning of the end? Let's see how much I can sell all this in my inventory for. Let's see. 2.6 million. That's actually not that much. Oh my god. I don't even know what the problem is. It's literally doing when you join. It literally, let me just show you. Right here. When you spawn, it gets the tag table for your user ID. And then if it is a tag table, it will add a tag for each one of your tags. It's in the server. Script service. It's literally just called server. Lifetime to see you. It's literally for your user ID. I literally copy your user ID and paste it in there, and that should work. I don't even have a bro. I'm 10 and someone said hi, Dad. My handy is broken. My hand is broken. This is my new number. I don't even have a child. Not even a girl. Bro, same. Sometimes people are meant to be single. I like it. It's peace and quiet when you're single. It's not constantly being berated by some fucking woman inside your home complaining, oh, my head is hurting. Like, what the fuck am I supposed to do about it? Go drink some water, bitch. Like, come on. What should I say? Fuck off, child. I'm not your dad. Fuck off. You hide. I won't let them take your life. All my days and nights, you royalty, royalty. The royalty. Hello! Har du börjat med content creation igen? Ja, det har jag. Jag menar, jag laddade upp en video igår, jag har en video i arbete och sen så håller jag på med det här ju också. Det här kommer inte vara den enda streamen, tro mig. I alla fall inte för Grow a Mine. Det är möjligtvis att jag jobbar på ett par andra spel på live, men just nu så kommer det mest vara, Grow a Mine tills jag har gjort det jag vill göra med det. Your royalty, royalty, I must say, Bruder, ich hab nicht einmal eine Freundin, and it means bo. I don't even have a. Yeah, I know. Okay, calm down. I know German. Come on, don't underestimate me, man. I know what it means. I know what German. Hello. So right now, this is what we have. Alright. Jag kommer börja med lite frågor. Så om ni trycker på pilen där det står livechatt, så kommer ni också kunna se frågor. Och där kan ni svara på min specifika fråga. Bro, I told you, server script service, and then it's just a script called server, and then you scroll down a little bit and you'll find the game.players.player added. I told you, man. Fucking listen. I got nothing to lose. I want you. I want to take your life. As long as I'm around you. Royalty. Okay. Something different about your face. Ooh. Ooh. Something special about your face. So I rolled his dice to save your life, and maybe you'll be my event horizon. Take me back to where we were. I could try to break the curve. If we're out of time, I'll find a way to love you in reverse. I could take back all these words that were all upset unheard. and we're out of time. I'll find a way to love you in reverse. Oh, 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 reverse. Oh, 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 reverse. And we're out of time. Oh. To save your life, maybe you'll be my event horizon. I am back. Yep. Copy, and then we paste. Crystal wins. Pickle Rick. Let me just go this motherfucker. Woohoo! Something's what the hell? Oh my God, no! Hell no! Oh my goodness! Yes, and then something special about your face. Mm-hmm. 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 Let's do a team test, Smith, team test, team test. Join the team test, big boy. I don't get it. Bro, what the hell? Yeah, sorry I'm talking. I'm just a bit quiet. What do you mean? What do you mean add?
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
Cheese, 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 cheese.
It's
Jazz,
raining
jazz, 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 jazz,
tacos.
jazz.
Rain and tacos. Ooh, rain and tacos. Ooh, it's rain and tacos.
It's raining
Tacos. Ooh, rain and tacos. Ooh.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Out in the street, tacos.
All you can eat.
Lettuce and shells.
Cheese and meat. Do-do-do-do. It's raining.
Shit. Jazz, 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 jazz. It's raining tacos. Ooh, raining tacos. Mm-hmm. Alright, so let's do a little bit of thing. Så jag tänker bara vi gör sådär. Drar den här under. Så att man inte dör när man ramlar ner. För att om man dör så försvinner ju den här skiten. Kommer jag sådär. Sådär. Måste vara relativt stor så att man inte bara kan hoppa över. Det där ser nog bra ut. Teleport part. Kommer göra den osynlig. Anchored. Can collide kommer vara av men can touch kommer vara på. Och så lägger vi till en script i den. Så script.parent.touch kommer connect till en funktion hit. Så if player then workspace.spawn location.position. Oh, jävlar. Hello. Ja, jävlar. God eftermiddag. Holy shit. Thank you. You wanna see what I'm making? Cause I can show you. This is what I'm making. That's what I'm making. All you can eat. Cheese and meat. Jazz, 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 jazz. Yum 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 yummity yum. It's like a dream.
Yum, 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 yummity yum. Bring me sour cream. Meat, lettuce, cheese, chow, meat, cheese, chow, meat, cheese, 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 cheese. It's raining tacos. Ooh, raining tacos. Ooh, raining tacos. Ooh, it's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Etikett för meddelande från kund. Till exempel leveransinstruktionen. Nej, det här ska bara vara Roblox username required. Det behövs. Thank you very much. Uppdatera. But how are they gonna make a ticket? Through the ticket channel? Probably through the ticket channel or support channel, whatever you want to call it. Oh shit, it's hidden by my camera. If we show this channel, if you click there, there will be a ticket panel where you can create tickets. See, I've already tested it by creating a ticket. Reason to buy a Snatchy Pet. And then we simply just paste in the link here, ask them to write their username too, Roblox username right in their channel, so we can fact check it, and then just do all that. Very nice. You get me now? Chess, 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 chess. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Rain and tacos. Ooh. Is still under development. Chess, 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 chess. Chess, 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 chess.
Gal 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 gamam. Wara 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 wara. It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos, yum 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 yummity yum. It's like a dream. Yum 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 yummity yum. Bring me sour cream. Oh, meat, lettuce, cheese, salad. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese, shell, meat, cheese, jazz, 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 jazz. Det var tillräckligt. Så tack så mycket för att ni kollade på den här livestreamen. Jag kommer göra en till om Grow Mines senare. Tack så mycket för att ni kollade på den här livestreamen. Och om ni vill...